Good morning, guys. This is Dalen with Porsche Oklahoma City, and this is our reveal of our 1978 911 SC for the 2026 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. First things first, I'm just going to go through a couple of features and unique things about our Classic. Our car is painted Aero Blue. Though not factory, the color was rarely ordered from 78 to 83. There's less than 500 examples out there. Our engine originally started off as a 3-liter. We went ahead, swapped out the pistons and cylinders for 3.2, making it a short stroke, as well as adding a bespoke cam profile that should up the horsepower from factory. Our car has a short throw shifter, which should help us optimize gear shift change. One of the things that we did was we went ahead and deleted the headlight washer system for our vehicle to give it more of an aesthetic appeal. The engine tins, fan, and fan shroud have all been meticulously powder coated to help with the cosmetic look inside the engine bay. Our car's interior has been fitted with a truffle brown leather paired with a light gray accent on the carpets and on the headliner. As far as wheels go, the wheels on this car are just a refinished set of Fuchs. As far as the back half of the car, we went ahead and swapped out the whale tail for a duck tail, giving it a more cosmetically appealing silhouette from the side. The exhaust system on our car is a set of SSI headers, as well as being paired with an M&K single exit muffler. We went ahead and retrofitted the Classic AC system in this vehicle. Also in the interior, we installed a Porsche Classic radio, paired up with a set of stock Porsche speakers. When we originally got this car, the brake booster did not work whatsoever. So we went ahead and replaced the brake booster with a brand new one. The engine wiring harness has been stripped and refreshed to match the rest of the vehicle. Following on the engine, our CIS system has also been completely gone through and refreshed. Cosmetically, on the rear end here, we went ahead and swapped out our taillight lenses from a set of US to Euro. When we picked up this car, it had fog lights. That wasn't a part of our build's vision. So we went ahead and got rid of the fog lights. One of the cool features of the interior on our car is our rear seat delete box. The transmission on our car has been rebuilt with the reverse lockout. Following on the interior, the steering wheel has also been recovered with black leather, as well as a brand new baseball stitch. That is a wrap on this year's Classic Restoration Challenge. Be sure to tune in next year.